Oh yeah, one last view of the Fox on the lift before we get it down. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back in the garage and we just buttoned up putting on the LMR full-length subframe connectors, and we're gonna take a look and let you judge my welds and make fun of them, but let's have it. So it took about the weekend, probably a day. I would say set aside a weekend for subframe connectors. Even though I had to cut my old ones off and put these ones on, a weekend, 2 days would be plenty of time, and we wouldn't have to rush. So here's our scrap pile. Got all the extra bracketry and whatnot, and we ain't gonna need any more that comes on the convertibles, the cheapo subframes, and we're gonna throw this in a scrap pile and maybe get 50 cents for it. So here we have it, the new subframe connectors are looking good. These are like I said, the LMR full-length subframes and the torque box reinforcements. So like I said, my welds definitely aren't the greatest. We put a can of high temp paint on it and then some undercoating on everything. Like I said before, the seat braces needed modified and cut open wider so I could move it back and forth. So, like I said, we got this bracket. This was a little bit hard because of the fuel lines were in the way. Choppy, a little bit of choppy welding. So we got on this side. But they're on there. And these are what the subframe connectors are looking like. Got the full lengths on here. Now we don't got the braces that go on each corner. We cut those out. Like I said, I did my best with it. It's not perfect, but I think it looks great. Hopefully these will stiffen it up a little bit better. And we're about to drop this down and take it for a ride. So this is just a short video of the finished product. The full-length LMR subframe connectors. And my setup. So yeah, we're about to move things around, get this down, and get back to it. So you know what to do till the next videos. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I'll catch you on that next one. Peace.